go to 16 first. Okay, so we're at the Wisconsin condo building in North Bethesda, Maryland. We're gonna do this real quickly, and then we're gonna go up to. I'm gonna check out the open house once this is over. So apparently the condo is actually on the T1 floor, so hopefully we'll be able to get that eventually. So, and now we're gonna go down to T1. I think these don't work. The close buttons don't work. So let's go there. So this is gonna be a little brief, so I'm gonna go down, so I'm gonna go back up to 1. So this is the second part of the thing. I know it's a little brief, but so that's it.